Hello and welcome to English Audio Lab. My name's Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're joining us today.
We are. Today we have a very positive and encouraging topic to talk about.
Ooh, I like the sound of that. What is it, Trevor?
We're going to talk about small wins.
Small wins. I love that. What exactly is a small win?
That's a great question. A small win is a small success. It's a little achievement in your daily life that makes you feel good.
Okay, so it doesn't have to be a huge accomplishment, like getting a new job or running a marathon.
That's a lovely way to put it. I think in today's world, we're so focused on the big picture, on achieving huge goals, that we often forget to appreciate the small steps along the way. It's like we're always looking at the mountain peak, but not enjoying the hike.
Exactly. It can be something much simpler. For example, maybe you finally organized your bookshelf. That's a small win.
Right. Or maybe you tried a new recipe and it was delicious.
Yes, it's about noticing and feeling good about the small, positive things we do every day. It helps with motivation.
I can see that. Focusing on big goals can sometimes feel overwhelming.
It can, but celebrating small wins makes the journey feel more enjoyable. For instance, I had a small win this morning.
Oh, tell me about it. Well, there's a plant in my living room that hasn't looked very happy for a few weeks. I read online about what it might need. More sunlight, different watering.
I know that feeling. You want to help it.
Exactly. So I moved it to a new window, and this morning I saw a tiny new green leaf starting to grow.
Oh, that's wonderful. That must have felt great.
It did. It's a small thing, but it made me smile. I felt like I had finally managed to figure out what it needed. It was a nice start to the day.
That's a perfect example. It's not a huge event, but it's a personal success. My small win this week was responding to an email I had been avoiding.
Right, we all have those emails.
Yes, it wasn't difficult, but I just kept putting it off. On Tuesday, I finally sat down and wrote it. It only took 5 minutes. I was so pleased with myself afterwards.
And the feeling of relief is the reward. It gives you a little boost of energy for the next task.
Exactly, a little boost. That's a great way to describe it.
So let's look at some of the phrases we just used. These are great for talking about your own small wins.
Okay, this is the part where we practice.
That's right. The first phrase I used was, I finally managed to. For example, I finally managed to fix the wobbly table.
Managed to. Does that mean it was a little difficult?
Yes, that's a good way to think about it. It means you succeeded at something that took some effort or time. Let's practice saying it. I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. I finally managed to.
Now, a little faster. I finally managed to.
Great. Another youthful phrase is what you said, Alicia. I'm pretty pleased with myself.
Yes, it's a nice way to say you feel proud and happy about what you did. It's not bragging, it's just a gentle, positive feeling.
Exactly. Let's practice that one too. Repeat slowly. I'm pretty pleased with myself.
And at a natural speed, I'm pretty pleased with myself.
Excellent. The last phrase for now is, it gave me a little boost.
A boost of energy or confidence, right?
That's the one. That small success gives you a positive feeling that helps you keep going. Let's try it. Slowly. It gave me a little boost.
Now, naturally, it gave me a little boost.
Wonderful. Now that we have these phrases, let's practice using them in some short dialogues.
I love this part. It helps to hear how people use the words in real life.
Okay, for our first dialogue, imagine two colleagues, Sam and Maria, talking at work on a Friday. I'll be Sam, and Alicia, you can be Maria.
Betty,
Hi, Maria. You look happy today.
hi, Sam. I am. I finally managed to finish that big report for the marketing team.
Oh, congratulations. I know you were working hard on that.
Thank you. It took a long time. I'm pretty pleased with myself for getting it done before the weekend.
You should be. That's a great win. Okay, a simple and very common conversation. Notice Maria uses I finally managed to because the report was difficult.
And she also said, I'm pretty pleased with myself. She feels good about her work.
Right. Now let's practice this. We invite you to be Maria. I will be Sam, and I will speak first. When I finish, you can say Maria's line. Ready? Hi, Maria. You look happy today.
Did you say, Hi, Sam, I am. I finally managed to finish that big report for the marketing team. Great job if you did.
Let's try the next line. I'll say my part. Oh, congratulations. I know you were working hard on that.
And your line was, Thank you. It took a long time. I'm pretty pleased with myself for getting it done before the weekend.
Okay, let's try a second dialogue. This one is more casual between two friends, Chen and Laura. They are talking on the phone. Alicia, you can be Laura. I'll be Chen.
Sounds good. Let's go. Hey, Chen, how are you?
Hi, Laura. I'm doing well. I had a really productive morning.
Oh, that's great. What did you do?
Well, it's a small thing, but I finally went through that pile of mail on my kitchen table. It gave me a little boost to start my day with a clean space.
I completely understand that feeling. A clear space makes for a clear mind. Good for you. In this dialogue, Chen says it's a small thing, but this is a very common way to introduce a small win.
Right. And he used our other phrase, it gave me a little boost. The small action of cleaning created positive energy.
Let's practice again. This time, you are Chen, I will be Laura, and I will start. After my line, say Chen's part. Ready? Hey Chen, how are you?
You might have said, Hi, Laura, I'm doing well. I had a really productive morning. Excellent.
Now for my next line. Oh, that's great. What did you do?
And you answered, Well, it's a small thing, but I finally went through that pile of mail on my kitchen table. It gave me a little boost to start my day with a clean space.
You are doing so well. That was great practice. And there's a real science behind why this works. When you achieve something, even a small thing, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine.
Okay, Trevor. One thing that is helpful for learners is to know different ways to say the same thing. It makes speaking feel more flexible.
That's a fantastic point. Let's practice that. This is called paraphrasing. Let's take the first main phrase. I finally managed to finish my project.
How else could we say that? You could say, I successfully finished my project. Or more simply, I got my project done.
I got my project done sounds very natural and common.
It is. Let's try another one. How about, I'm pretty pleased with myself?
Okay, you could also say, I feel good about what I did.
Perfect. Or even, I'm proud of myself for that. All of these express a similar happy feeling about your achievement.
This is really useful. It shows there isn't only one correct way to say something.
Exactly. The goal is communication. As long as the other person understands your meaning and your feeling, you are succeeding.
You know, that brings up a really practical question. How can people get into the habit of noticing their small wins? It's easy to forget when you're busy.
So, as we come to the end of our lesson today, let's do a quick review.
We talked all about small wins, those little daily successes that make us feel good.
We learned some key phrases like, I finally managed to, I'm pretty pleased with myself, and it gave me a little boost.
And we practiced using them in conversations, which is the most important part.
The main idea is that progress is progress, no matter how small. Acknowledging your small wins is a wonderful way to stay motivated, not just in life, but also in your English learning journey.
That's so true. When you learn a new word and use it in a sentence, that's a small win. When you understand a minute of a podcast, that's a small win.
Celebrate them. Be pleased with yourself. Each step forward is an achievement.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today and feel a little more confident. Keep practicing, keep listening, and be kind to yourself.
Thank you for listening to English Audio Lab. We look forward to having you with us next time.
Bye for now.